going to teach you how to solve this problem. A shop had 5,000 pencils. It sold 2,750 pencils. How many pencils are left? Now, we're going to subtract the 2,750 to 5,000.
From 5,000?
Yes.
Mm.
Now, 5 here, 0, 0, 0. Now we're going to write minus here. Now, 2, 7, 5, 0 means going to subtract 5,000 minus 2,750. 0 minus 0, we can do it, is 0. But 0 minus 5, we cannot do it. It's possible. This is 0. Now it's going to cancel them, and 4 here, and here we're going to write 10. And now we're going to borrow 1 from here and do 9 here, right? And now and here we're going to write 10. 10 minus 5 equals 5.